Hello everyone, so now I'm going to show you what are the changes we made in the order list master. So first we move that order list tab from manage last test display to stock test. So when you click stock, you see the template order list. You can see the different types of category. So when you add a category, you name the category. You add cycle type, you can add multiple cycle type here, the description and type free text or checkbox. When you do that, after you add, then if you want just a one free text box, free text, you can just edit it, add an item. So what we did is, for text box, uh, let me show you the here. As you can see in the form, there are number of labels present. So like there is a text box, and at the end of the text box there is a label present. So for this date we don't need any label, but for this like FHH, we need a text box here, and there is a label IU at the end of the text box. So what we did is to assign a label at the end of the text box or at the front of the text box, or we don't need a label. So we gave three options to add a label at the front or at the back, or we don't need a label. So after this, when you if you choose none and save it, you can see there is no text present, and you can add a item here. So like this, you want to add a checkbox, so you can add item and just get that checkbox item name and commit it, so that a new item for that category will be added. You can edit it, save it, update it, delete it as you wish. In this we gave a option to add sub items, for example, and for now I think in the form we use only text box in the sub items, so we give the option to add text box items in the sub items. So if the type is selected as checkbox, when user edit it, you can see number of items added here. These are all checkboxes items. As you can see in the stimulation, the letrozole or sapropin, there are three text boxes under that checkbox. So there are three sub items under that checkbox seropin. And for example, after this text box we add a label here MG, and for this text box we add a label if at the start of the text box BOD, and these two label at the start. So there are three sub items present for this, and we add label in different position. So as you can see here, for Seraphim we add sub items. Here you can see there is a symbol present to add or edit sub items. So when you click it, you can see the sub items here. You can add it. Similarly for text box, you can choose at the front or back, or you don't need any labels. As you can see, at the back we add a text MG. For this we add at the front your date, and for this we add a text too. So like this we add different sub items, like so that when we when the user try to fill the form, so that user can select the checkbox here and user can add the text box, and it will be easier for the user to know the details of the text box. So okay, after that, to see the details of the tree view, the user can just go to the top of that category and see the details here. In the tooltip, the user can see all the details. If the user want to see it in a different window, just click this category and it will show the tree structure. The category here is demolition, and the different checkboxes present: natural cycle, seraphim, petrogel, FSH, and under seraphim there are some sub items present, text boxes, MG, pure date to the labels are present. If no label is present, then it will show no text present here. So after this, we will integrate with cycle type. So this is all. Thank you.